Welcome to Story Time with Miss Cici. I'm so glad you're here. We have an amazing story. Before we get started, make sure you have your bag. You need your listening ears. You need your thinking caps. You need your tickets, because we are going places. But before we start, we have to do our anthem. Let's go. Hey, soarers, are you ready to fly to the highest of heights with all of your might? Do you see that light? Your future is bright. Hey, soarers, let's fly. Welcome, soarers. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Miss Cici. What's your name? Oh, welcome. Thank you for joining us for story time. We have an amazing and exciting story just for you. Are you ready? Okay, 1 second. All right. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Pardon me. Let's get started. We have a story called Ebeneezer the Sneezer. Can you make a funny sneezing sound? Achoo! Good. This is Ebeneezer the Sneezer by DeCorey Hale. Let's start reading. Ebeneezer was a sneezer. Excuse me. Ebeneezer sneezed so much. He sneezed on everything he touched. He sneezed on a bright red car. He sneezed on a clear glass jar. He sneezed on a brown spotted dog. He sneezed on a bumpy green frog. He sneezed in every room of the house. He even sneezed on the little gray mouse. He sneezed on the furry gray cat. He sneezed on his wooden baseball bat. He sneezed on his favorite blue dish. Somehow he even sneezed on a baby goldfish. Achoo! He sneezed under his favorite drooping tree. He sneezed on a little bitty bumblebee. He sneezed on a bright red barn. He sneezed all around that great big farm. He sneezed on a can. He sneezed on a man. He sneezed on the boat. He sneezed on his coat. He sneezed on a tire. He sneezed on the fire. He sneezed on a rug. He sneezed on a slug. Oh. One day, Ebeneezer had simply enough. He wanted to stop this ridiculous sneezing stuff. He went to the clinic to fix his trouble and said, "Please, I need a doctor on the double." The doctor tried his best to fix his pains. He tried to stop the sneezes again and again. At last, the doctor ran through the door. He said, "Hooray, Ebeneezer! I found a cure." Do you think it's going to work? I hope so for poor Ebeneezer. This spoon of medicine should do the trick. Ebeneezer drank it down quick, quick, quick. Will it work? He wondered. He wasn't quite sure. But alas, he sneezes nope, no more. Yay! Aren't you glad Ebeneezer is no sneezer? He's done sneezing. Achoo! Oh, excuse me. Well, I'm so glad you joined us for story time. Make sure you download the free worksheet. Have a wonderful day. Bye, soars. Registration is now open for our virtual preschool. Head over to usorelearning.com to learn more information. We offer culturally relevant learning for children of all backgrounds, offering 2 live classes or pre-recorded. We have preschool pals, which is fun and engaging, and you'll get an email with the outline, worksheets, and more. We have an engaging and exciting curriculum that encompasses literacy, math, science, creative, and sensory projects. So make sure you head over to the website to learn more about our virtual preschool, college and career prep, and what we are offering. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.